Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix a bad power supply. Now, I don't recommend this because I don't know what could happen to your device, because after all, it wasn't working and now it is, and I didn't even take it apart. So, I mean, I did take it apart, but I was trying to find a thing. So, what you're gonna do, you're gonna come over here to this power button, you're gonna hold it, and then you're gonna switch it on and off until it powers on. Now, I don't know why this fixes it, but it fixed mine.